What's going on, guys? Another video, another explore. Pub. That's the word for today. I said it's been a while since I've done one that's this sort of size, really, to be fair. Looks pretty good. I've had a little look around already, check there's no squatters in here, and yeah, just get a feel for the place. So let's take on a little walk through. We are currently at the rear entrance, which is where the barrels would have been kept, etc. Let's walk you through. Big old industrial fridge. That would have been a bit of money at some point. The ceiling has gone in, yeah. It's got some nice features. Horseshoe for good luck. Officially in the kitchen area. You've got options when you come in as well, because there's a couple of different bars. Let's go do this one first. It's actually behind the bar. Very cool. Old till. That's an old microwave. And the smell in here, guys. It's almost got that dampy, mouldy smell, but of course then smells like weed. There's no other way for it. It smells like a cannabis farm going on in here. This is pretty cute. It's got that country vibe about it. A lovely bit of wood across there, that's nice. Oh yeah, this is very cool, nice and snug. Look at the curtains, guys. The hunting. They are stunning. This should be a lovely little private area just to chill, have a couple of drinks in. The tower out on the countryside, it's got that total chill vibes. Another door. Again, another little area. Just sit and chill out, drinks. Curtains, stunning, I love those. Fireplace. Restaurant area possibly. A bit better condition in yet. Still got the carpet. Tell you what, I'll spend a bit of money on this place and this could be an incredible home. Sheer size on it. Not vandalised either, which is amazing to see. So you can tell we're in a sort of posh area, if you like. Gents' toilets. Oh, this is a bit trashed. Cubicles do not use. Just walk through, I can hear Kurt. Pint of Guinness, please, chap.
You had enough after arriving.
You can never have too much Guinness. It's a nice little bar again, cozy area. It is called Cozy Pew. So take a seat and enjoy. As I could hear Kurt talking over there about 2000, there we go, 23rd of October 2007. I won't zoom in closely, not to give you the actual address, because like anything, I like to try and protect these places. This is nice in here though. Bit of mould in that carpet. Ah. Push bar to open. That's a nice shot from out here. I'm looking forward to do some camera pictures of this place. As you can see, summertime shorts it out. I've seen better days. Lovely fireplace in case someone smashed a pot up in here. Windows are actually gone as well on this side, which is a shame. I know there's an upstairs. So let's find one upstairs. Got to be in the back quarters somewhere. Oh, look at that. Like an old pizza oven. That is very cool. You don't see that in many places. Number 13 on it as well. My lucky number. Almost like it's meant to be. I'm pretty sure I saw a staircase behind one of the bars. So let's just find our bearings and we'll go and investigate. There's a few glasses. Here we go. Yeah, Kurt, found the stairs, dude. Found the stairs. If you could feel this going under my feet, guys, you would not be walking up here. Oh, that's got a medieval look about it. Floor's a bit gone. You can feel them bowing under your feet as well when you come up. Ooh. Look at that, guys. Let's try and guess where the slots would be. Again, guessing copper. You can see it's been cut. Standard thing. Fair size though. Nice fat up here. It's a little bedroom area. So you can tell the scream in the 90s, the size in them wardrobes. Another bedroom, maybe the master. So you can literally see the offcuts of copper. Smoking. That's awesome, isn't it? I like that. The tile.
Reminds me of the house we had in Ireland.
Does actually. Oh, there's downstairs. There's a bathroom.
That looks like a newer shower, isn't it?
Yeah, shower head's quite clean as well, to be fair. I guess bones under the arm are we turning into?
Jesus, what am I doing?
I think someone smashed it up.
Guys, it ain't even worth it this
Is it
time.
worth going down there?
No, it looks like a big drop. Jesus.
You heard it there from Kurt first, it's not worth it. But of course I'll go and have a little look myself. Oh yeah, I see what he's saying. Kitchen area.
Sad to see it close. Really sad to see it like
So those breweries put up their prices and stuff, don't they? And it's just a struggle for them to keep afloat or whatever. Sorry guys, I know that's a bit jumpy. But I'm walking beam to beam. And I'm going to try and guess where they are.
As you can see, this is where we're walking.
Because the floor is gone. So yeah. That was a little bit shaky, because I was a little bit sketchy.
One at a time.
Yeah. Lounge area. Squeezing past the board they've put up. Oh, still got the sofas.
Yeah, I know, it's cool that room, mate. I like it.
Some phones, random shoe. 70s fireplace, which actually would have worked as well. That's cool. 70s light fitting. Electric's off.
The old roof is bowing underneath the cell. It won't be long before this place is gone.
No, I know, you can see that, can't you?
It's like being in the ancient Roman Inn again.
Look out there, guys. Yeah, it is this.
Similar deco as well.
It is. Got a little clamshell down it.
Have you seen
With
the
the keys.
mural on downstairs? There's like a mural in one of the little rooms.
No, I haven't.
I'll have to show you one. Oh my god. Little, like a baby's gate or something.
Little gate, yeah. Got a little letter here.
Says something about turning off.
Turn off within 1 second, turn off after 20 seconds, auto light will go on. There we go, we're learning electrics. I'm not going to film myself squeezing down the little staircase, guys. But plumber Kurt at the service. Sizing the spiders up in here too. But yeah, as I was saying, I'm not going to film myself going on the little staircase. I'm going to go find the mirror and we'll pick it up there, guys. So I've made it downstairs to where the mural is. Me being too interested in the curtains, saying how cool they were, I actually missed that on the wall. The West Country Ales, which is pretty damn sweet. I like it. But yeah, so struggling to breathe in here a little bit, so I'm gonna mix it up. Gonna get a couple of camera shots, and then I'll go and do a bit of a video so you can see a bit of the outside anyway. Be rude not to when we're here, guys. As promised, a little bit outside. I don't really care if we get caught now because we've done the inside explore. Always pays to do the outside stuff last. Let's take you on a little look. That's where the flat would have been. Again, there another door for the flat. You can see like the roof is gone. Stunning little area. Another door in as well. And yeah, normally with as Kurt was just saying in the background, we won't give locations out or the names of places, but I said I actually googled this and could get no results for it, so I've got no problem in just dropping the name to you. These are where them nice curtains were. Lovely door. Bridge in. You might think, bridge, it's not what you think it is, that's all I'm going to say. It's another open little door. See, it is on a main road. But there we go, guys. That's that. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you all at another video rather soon.